408 small block Ford, just got done running it. Your description is combination. It's got our heads on it, custom grind hydraulic roller, got the Edelbrock manifold, quick fuel 750, MSD Pro Billet. It's got the blacked out march on the front, alternator, make sure it charges for you. Yeah, I'll show you how it ran. Alrighty, 3,400, 514 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque 518, peaks horsepower 481. So we're rated 450. Everything's really good. Get her out there, get in a crate, come your way. Have a great day.